Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Now you have decided to undertake the mystic process of meditation under the instruction of your mother, just to achieve the mercy of the Lord. But in my opinion, such austerities are not possible for any ordinary man. It is very difficult to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The process of Bhakti Yoga is simultaneously very difficult and very easy to perform. Sri Narad Muni, the Supreme Spiritual Master, is testing Dhruv Maharaj to see how determined he is to prosecute devotional service. This is the process of accepting a disciple. The great sage Narad has come to Dhruv under the direction of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, just to initiate him, yet he is testing Dhruva's determination to execute the process. It is a fact, however, that for a sincere person, devotional service is very easy. But for one who is not determined and sincere, this process is very difficult.